Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. I did the Superman theme piano tutorial, and now I'm going to do the Batman theme piano tutorial, which is in G. If we're talking about the original from the 60s, you know, da-na-na-na-na-na-na Batman, that one. So we'll do that one first, and then the second one will be the theme from the movie 1989. So that's what's coming up in this video, and here we go. You can see me, you can hear me, hopefully. Great. So that'll be the second one. The first one is G. You can play there, or you can play further up. It's a G blues, man. It's a G blues. So you might have seen a G blues with G7. Something like that, right? Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. If you haven't learned that before, you probably should. Or this one. But this one goes na 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 na, and it's straight, not swung. There it is, Batman. Up to C. Basically it. After that there's a little bit of twoodling, doodling, organ playing, like, you know, over the... I want to go back into swing again, as you can see. But it's difficult to solo over, actually. I think it just stays on G7s after that, because there's some sort of really low, chilled back, laid back. I'm making it more jazz than it is, but basically that's the whole thing, right? Batman. So you got to get that first. And I'm using little finger and thumb, and then second instead of thumb. Rock on. So little finger, thumb on G and D. G and C sharp, go to the second. Thumb and then second. And when you go down to the C, I also use the second. So, and when you come back up, the second. So you only need the thumb on the D. Maybe start a little slower than that. And that's the top of a G7 chord. You can play the D as well. Up to C. D7. C7. Try and solo if you dare. Alright, moving on to the newer Batman theme. I believe his name's Elfman, Danny Elfman. Good old Elfman. Alright, it's in B minor. And I'm doing a slide off the C sharp. Thumb and index finger. But you could play 1, 2, 3, 5. At the start you have some very melancholy notes, and you have a G major arpeggio, or B minor you could call it. right? Very nice over a B in the bass. And then it goes up to D flat first. It goes to D flat major. Then when it comes in, it goes on D flat. And then we go down to A minor. There's A minor, and we have this line, which is just the notes of the A minor chord. So starting with A and C, then A and E, then C and E, then A and C. Obviously that's in the strings, so let's do it in time. Try and get it more in time. Not sure it's perfectly in time, but there we go. Now we're in A minor, right? I think there's just one. And on the second time, we go up again. Well, I should say down to G minor. So, and we have a new melody. G, A, B flat, D, which comes in straight away. And then an E flat major chord, arpeggio. And then an F sharp minor one. So, and now we're in F sharp minor, look at that. And we go to D. So we've already gone from B minor down to A minor down to G. F sharp. Oh, sorry. And we go to D after that. So it's B minor, A minor, G minor. Follow along. B minor, A minor, G minor, F sharp minor, believe it or not, and then D minor, and there's some slower parts. It stays on D for a while, then it goes up to G. Before going to C sharp minor. But it's actually that slower version. This one. And there's this new melody. In the strings, which is really beautiful. F sharp, G sharp, A, C sharp, D sharp, E, G sharp, and again, bum, 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 ba da da. And I went up to F sharp there, but the song actually then goes to E flat minor, goes up the tone. Before finishing with on E flat minor, and that is basically the whole song. It was a little wishy-washy there towards the end, but basically it's just that thing played in different keys. So B, then A, then G, A, B flat, D, and we're in F sharp or G flat minor. And we go to D minor after that. And then we somehow go straight up to G minor. And it wants to go to C sharp major, but it doesn't. It goes to C sharp minor. Before finishing on E flat minor. And hopefully that will help you to learn the theme. There are some other bits as well on strings, like which is quite a fast run and I haven't figured out yet, but maybe you will. And if you can find the score online that isn't paid for, I commend you. It's not easy to find, but there is a version on YouTube I did find, which I learnt it from, and now I'm teaching you, where the guy just plays an arrangement. So that helped me to figure out all the different keys. A little bit trickier, that one. But yeah. Batman. I hope you enjoyed this one on Between the Keys. Let me know if there's any other big movie themes that you want to learn, or any other songs you want to learn. Write them in the comments below. Don't forget to click like or subscribe if you enjoyed this video, or both, and I shall see you next time. Thanks.